Welcome to Powerviz. Let's explore top 5 features of the filter visual by Powerviz. An advanced slicer built to revolutionize the way you filter and explore your Power BI reports. It's highly customizable, developer-friendly, and packed with advanced features designed to give you total control over your data. Switch between pop-up and canvas modes to fit your layout and user experience needs. Easily expand or collapse hierarchical levels, making it simple to drill down into your data, even when dealing with ragged or uneven hierarchies. Set and maintain a pre-selected value upon page load or customize the starting selection. This ensures your users always land on the right view of your data. Make your slicers more visually compelling by adding dynamic image URLs or DAX measures, making filtering more intuitive and visually attractive. Choose from professionally designed templates or create your own. Save and reuse your designs with JSON export, import, and use conditional formatting for values or backgrounds, making your slicers stand out. With the Powerviz filter, you're not just filtering data, you're creating an interactive experience that's both beautiful and intelligent. Try it now and transform the way you design your Power BI reports. Power up your dashboards with the filter visual by Powerviz. Try it today from AppSource or our website powerviz.ai.